Good morning, subbies. Welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. So I just wanted to come in really quick, say good morning. I got a few things going on this morning. Let me see. I have to take care of the kitchen before I leave. I have to put some things back in the bathroom before I leave because last night I did mop my floor. Like I think I told y'all, put the bleach down, let it soak, mopped it. I just gotta put the stuff back down. I gotta take care of the kitchen, make me a smoothie. Yeah, that's about it. And I'll show you my plant babies because they're outside sunbathing right now. Today I'm gonna be wearing Egyptian musk. Smells so good. Don't mind the dress in the back. Last night I went out for a drink or two, some grown woman stuff. And I spilled wine on my dress, so I hand washed it with some, I didn't put bleach on it, but I did use baking soda and vinegar, and hopefully the stain will come out. I'll probably let you guys know, or you can remind me to see if it worked. But that's why that's hanging back there. I know it looks a little tacky, but hey. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. I'll show you guys OOTD. The room is clean. Everything's clean. It looks funny in here, right? Because there are no plant bait. Well, my big plant is outside. So I'll show you guys that, because like I said, they're outside sunbathing. And I'm gonna tackle the things that I told you I had to. Here's outfit of the day. Let me turn on some light for you guys. Outfit of the day. Do y'all remember these? I love these with the tie on them. They're like culottes or whatever you want to call it. They're really, really cute. And I just have on this black tank top with my earrings, and that's it. So let's go outside and see what these babies are doing. Y'all, the rain is like out. It's going out. It's just doing too much rain. Y'all, look at this. Tell me if this don't look like a backyard oasis. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm gonna let them sunbathe. She has a new one getting ready to come out. That's the other one. And then this is the new one on her. And then she has some more coming up. But they look so pretty out here. Look at that. Looks so tropical. Let me go the other way. And then these two are blooming really good. Yep, they look so good. Guys, today is the day. She has to go get her, well, at 5. I got to be there at 5 at the dealership. So I probably will take you guys along for that as well. So guys, if you're interested in watching the rest of this video, then keep on watching. Like I said, I have to tidy up some things, get my smoothie made so I can get out of here. Our power went out last night. I think around like 10 something. I'm like, what is going on? So I'll see you guys momentarily. so mad. I'm up here at the dealership and it is pouring down raining outside. Pouring down. And I'm trying to stay warm. It's cold in here. Look. Can y'all see it's pouring down out here? It is pouring. It won't let up. I'm probably gonna just end my video here because I'm gonna be here for a little while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I think I got like maybe a I think I got like an hour to go before I can get out of here. So I will check you guys out in another video. Bye, y'all. Y'all see that tea? Look at that tea. That is how cold it is in here with this air on. I ain't used to no air. I don't care. It is really hot here, y'all, but it's too cold in this place. The rain has stopped, so I'm mad, y'all, because it's like, I think now it's like 6:30. I've been here since 5:45, and I left the plants outside, which I don't really care about them, but I left something I think I had put outside for to dry or something. So maybe by the time I get home it'll be dry, but I will see you guys later in another video. Bye, y'all. Yeah, look at all that rain. It ain't gonna stop. Oh my God, y'all, it's like 7 o'clock. I'm still here. I feel funny in this place by myself, but I'm so cold, so cold. I'm really gonna end this video now. I feel really, really weird being in this place by myself. Oh my gosh. Y'all, gotta get it done though. I gotta get it done. So I got 2 things knocked off my plate, so I feel really, really good about it. So I'm not really gonna complain. I'm gonna keep on. I got me some Lipton tea because they got the air on in here like so bad, and the TVs are blasting. So look, I got me 4 TVs, and I really ain't watching none of them. I'm sitting here actually. I'm gonna go ahead and read this book here, and I will see you guys in a little while, or I will see you in tomorrow's